SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy. Today is Wednesday, January 26th. This is your closing bell market wrap-up. The major U.S. equity indices closed higher today after the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose above the 12,000 mark temporarily, and after the Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee released its statement. Bernanke and the Federal Reserve have decided to keep the interest rates steady at the historically low range of 0 to 1/4%. The lack of a move on rates was widely expected, although some traders were looking for additional details regarding asset purchases and QE2 in the statement made by the FOMC. On that front, the Fed did say that they plan to keep the $600 billion US Treasury purchase plan in place through June. In corporate news, Qualcomm reported its first quarter EPS of 82 cents ex items, which came in ahead of the street's view for 72 cents per share. Revenues for the quarter rose 25% year over year to $3.35 billion, topping consensus of $3.2 billion. Starbucks also reporting earnings today, posting a first quarter EPS of 45 cents, which came in ahead of the street's view for 39 cents. Revenues for the quarter rose 8% year over year to $2.95 billion, topping consensus of $2.93 billion. Checking in on where the major U.S. indices closed on Wednesday, the Dow Jones Industrial closing fractionally higher at 11,985, the S&P closing near 0.5% higher at 1,296, and the NASDAQ closing 0.75% higher, 2,739. For further updates, stay tuned. You're watching SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy.